In this video, I will show you how to stream CS2 using OBS. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up CS2 on your device. So you just want to go ahead and load this up as normal. So here we are, we've got CS2 opened, and what you can do is come up to the settings in the top left hand corner. You can click onto this and change the video options if you want to. You don't have to, this is not essential as it's normally configured to run successfully for OBS, but if you wanted to change like the aspect ratio or resolution, you can do that from here. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is open up OBS on your system. So here we are, as you can see, I've got OBS opened. Now, all you need to do from here is come down to the sources section, and if you click onto the plus button down here, and from the menu that pops up, you want to select window capture. Once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is where it says create new, you can call this something else if you want to. For example, I can call this CS2. Once that's done, go ahead and press OK. Make sure you've got the box ticked to make source visible, press OK. And from here, all you need to do at the top where it says window, click onto this, and you want to go ahead and select Counter-Strike 2. So you can see that's here, so just go ahead and click onto that. Now if the screen is shown as black, then what you're going to want to do is change the capture method. So you want to click onto this box and change it to Windows 10. And as you can see, that's now displaying ready to go. So all you need to do is go ahead and press OK, and you are good to go and set up ready to play. So that's how to go ahead and stream CS2 using OBS. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.